Hi, this is Ryan Blair at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how we set up apparel for proofing. So this particular job is going to be a screen print job, and we're going to find all the information down below. So the first thing that we did was we opened up our screen print proof template, which looks like this. It could be located on the farm, templates, apparel templates, and it's the screen print proof template. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to change the date, and it is the 2/17, and next we're going to fill out all the information. So this is going to be 8147 product 1, so that gets filled out here, 8147-01, and I just copied the customer name and we're just going to paste that in as so. Next what we're going to do is we're going to locate the shirt, and so what we're going to do is we're going to copy the shirt part, and this is coming from Sanmar. So we're going to go to Sanmar's website and just paste that code into the search bar here, and that brings up the shirt. And so now what we're going to need to do is see what color the shirt is, which is under apparel color here, so black and red. So we're going to grab the black and red here, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and copy the shirt information. We're going to go ahead and put it down here. So Sport Tech, and then the code, and then under color do black and red. And so what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the breakdown of all the shirts. So 2 medium, 3 large, 2 XL, and 1 XX. And if we look, this seems to be a ladies' shirt, so we're going to go ahead and move this X over to the ladies checkbox.